Okay.
Mamaya nasa YouTube na tayo.
Okay na, YouTube na tayo.
Opo.
Ayun na. So yung question, same lang kanina. So, anong feeling na ito, finally, blessing na ng inyong mansyon.
Yes, thank you. Today is our house blessing. Thank you guys for coming. Saka, binigyan nyo kami ng time. I know you guys busy. But we really appreciated that you gave us time and your effort to come here. Malayong Bulacan from Manila. So, but today we're so happy na we're here, na house blessed yung bahay. And then, plus we just arrived from Canada 3 weeks ago, so it was really a hectic schedule. But everything is okay. My family from Iloilo came and they joined the house blessing today up to New Year. They will be here spending time with us. But some of my siblings already living in Canada. I have only my mom and my one brother in Iloilo, and that's why they're all here to join with us today. Back in Canada, Kevin, the actor boy, he's still there. He's already working at the Philippine Airlines in Vancouver International Airport, and the oldest son is Brian. We call him BJ as well. He's already working as well at Air Canada. He's a manager now in Vancouver International Airport. So we're so happy na we are parents that we able to benefit the free flight from their work. So this coming April 2, the Air Canada will be coming in Philippines, so we have no more problem in going back and forth because we can take Air Canada or Philippine Airlines to fly back. So, but we're already dual citizen, so we can stay here in Philippines as long as we want. So ngayon, umuwi kami dito dahil sa house blessing, plus the Addict movie will be showing na next year in Iloilo.
What about Davao?
Davao, we're already approved. But syempre, we're from Iloilo, so mauna muna kami sa Iloilo City.
And then Manila?
Manila, we're working on the DepEd.
DepEd, okay.
Manila, yeah.
Hindi ka ba nahirapan, sir, excuse me, sa pag-a-adjust ng life mo? Philippine Navy ka ba dati?
Yeah.
Tapos all of a sudden, you are back to being an ordinary citizen. Hindi ba mahirap yun? Hindi mo nami-miss yung dating work mo as a seaman?
Before, nami-miss ko rin po yung mga 2 years siguro sa Canada. Then, pagdating doon, siguro 3 months, bumalik ako dito. Tapos bumalik ako ulit. How many times ako bumalik-balik? So naisip ko na sayang yung pera na masahe ko. So nagstay ako doon hanggang ngayon.
Yeah, you like it there?
Well, no.
Hindi mo ba na-miss si ma'am? Kasi
Magkasama
matagal ka nagsiman, di ba? Matagal ka nagsiman.
2 years
Hindi mo
lang
ba
naman.
na-miss si
2
ma'am?
years lang. 2 years
2 years
Hindi mo
lang naman,
mahirap?
and then I sponsored him. I sponsored
Is
him.
it not
to-
hard
Ano?
working as a seaman when you're actually married?
Mahirap din, kaya lang siyempre, tsaga lang. Dahil kailangan makapunta rin. Saka, eventually, alam ko pupunta rin ako doon. So,
How do you maintain your body, your good face? Para, syempre si ma'am, sexy. Okay, paano mo nami-maintain,
I'm
sir?
still
You work out.
exercise.
You work out.
Pero even in my house only, I'm doing dumbbell.
Exercise
Sit-up.
na.
Kaya, nami-maintain mo
diet.
talaga.
Maintain.
Thank you, sir.
So, worth it yung mga pinaghirapan? Pinaghirapan yung worth it. Ito na kasi meron na kayong mansion. And other properties, meron pa ba? May mga iba pa na kayong investment?
We have 2 houses in Iloilo.
Okay.
So my mom lives there, and one of our, siblings. So okay lang sila doon sa Iloilo because they don't wanna come here. But because since my husband's side, parang 7 na sila dito sa subdivision, and then one of the sister realtor. Kaya kami nakakuha dito ng land that time. But we never got...
Realtor and sister ni Seth.
Yeah, oo. Realtor dito. So, lahat sila, 7 of them, they have their own house and lot na here. But there are 9 of them. One is in Davao, that's why we went there to visit. And then one in Makati. Yeah. So, I'm happy na, you know, we're surrounded with his family here. So that's
Your
why.
family is where?
From Iloilo. We're both from Iloilo.
Ah, you are both from
Yeah,
Iloilo.
we're classmates from high school.
Ah.
Yeah, we're
Bakit yung anak nyo na nag-artista, mukha din naman kayo mga celebrity? Ba't hindi ba kayo nag-dream na maging din artista?
Hindi, syempre that time, you know, all you have to think is, you know, go abroad at iaahon sa pamilya ang hirap.
Ang dami namin tinulungan. Lahat ng kapatid ko siyam sila tinulungan.
Yeah. We help everyone.
So daddy's
At
very
saka
generous.
dalawang pamangkin ko nakuha ko sa Canada.
Yeah. And then in my side, we're 7 of us. 5 ang nakuha ko. So,
Kaya para super blessed kayo kasi napaka-generous nyo. Jo, may question ka
we're
niya?
helping everybody.
Pwede niyo po kaming kwentuhan more about yung Addict the movie.
The Addict the movie, nag-start yan nung when Kevin graduated.
Si Kevin po yung anak niyo.
Yeah, Kevin is my son. He's the second boy. And plus, my husband, yung talagang gusto niya yung mga teleserye, mga ganun. We really admire the TFC ba yun?
Filipino channel.
Yeah, in Canada. So, maliit pa yan sila, parang imagine na naman, maybe one of our son will be an actor. But the 2 boys said, oh no, we cannot act, ma'am. Something like that. But when they, you know, are mga teenager na sila, so we tried both of them. That's why we able to take them here, and then pinakilala nga namin kay Derek
Hilton.
Ronaldo.
Ronald Carvalho.
Ronald Carvalho. And then introduced to Tito Boy Palma. And then they met, and then they helped us to get into Star Magic. You know, to study acting. And then, naka 3 years si Kevin, si BJ hindi nagpatuloy.
Si Kevin lang.
Oo. And he said, Mom, I can't do it, Mom. Let Kevin do it. So, after 3 years, parang napagkakitaan siya na may potential siya sa acting. So, it happens na Derek Nilton had a script na about drugs, and the title is Addict. So, Tito Ed Littlefield asked me if I can be a producer of the movie. I said, okay, I will try, but because Kevin, I wanted Kevin to, you know, to be an actor and try.
Ma-build up siya.
Oh, and then, because I really wanted him to see in the big screen. So, that was my imagine.
Anong taon po ito?
I guess,
2017.
Okay.
So, happy kayo sa result ng movie?
yeah, happy kami ng result ng movie because at that time, we're in the drug war during President Duterte administration.
Yes.
So, I wanted to help
The kids.
yung mga drug addict na they have a second chance, na hindi lang nasabi nag-addict sila, patayin sila, this and that. We have a second chance, you know, to change and to become a good
And
person. Yeah.
Sino po ang mga artista dito?
Ang artista dyan starring is, of course, my son Kevin Poblacion, and then Aramina, Rosana Roses, Lisa Lindugan, Gino Lostri, Eagle Riggs.
Si Eden.
Eagle Riggs is there, and then Maggie Campbell, and then one of the guy that passed away already. Diba?
Volunteer. Sakso.
He's an action star. Yeah.
Tapos ngayon po ay pinagkakaabalan yung screening niya. Muli. I-screen niyo po siya ganun ba? Sa mga schools?
So now, because I decided to retire na,
Okay.
I want to focus now in this movie.
Anong trabaho mo dati, ma'am?
There, I was working in the facility as an assistant, nurse assistant.
Nursing assistant.
Nursing assistant, yeah.
You are a registered nurse.
Yes. Yeah. So, I decided to, just to concentrate to this movie because parang, the drugs is parang bumalik na naman. So, I wanted to help, sa mga bata na ipalabas talaga ito because it's an advocacy film. It's about drug awareness. So, we're working on the Department of Education, DepEd. The DepEd Davao, we're okay. We're already approved. And then Iloilo, we're already okay. So, we're decided to do it on January,
Ang ibig
showing.
Ang ibig sabihin niyo po, madam, approved na ipalabas sa mga
Sa
eskwelahan sa
public,
lugar na yun.
public and private, but in high school.
Kasi bagay talaga siya sa
It's in high school to college, There's we're rated R16 MTRCB. That's our rating. R16.
Hindi niyo po sinali sa mga festival, inikot abroad, tinangka niyo po ba yun?
We did one time in Vancouver. I showed it in cinema to our friends only, but I really don't have time to really explore around Canada. But I'm licensed to show. They're really waiting for it to watch, but because Canada is so big, we have no time. I was busy working. But this time, when the school is not, closed, pwede akong makabalik doon, and then we're gonna go to its provinces to explore the movie as well in Canada. But we're gonna concentrate in schools here first para,
What about in cinemas, ma'am?
in cinema,
Wide release kumbaga.
wala pa eh.
Basta schools.
Sa schools
Yun,
muna,
this is
kasi
going
yung
to be
cinema,
shown
it's
in
a little bit
schools.
expensive. And we don't have the source of,
Saka hindi mo alam kung babalik.
advertising.
Hindi mo alam kung babalik.
Advertising pa, kasi
Advertising.
mahal. Plus yung cinema, mahal din ang bayad
Yes.
per screening.
50-50.
So, I'm thinking maybe we'll do it in school para mabawi muna yung ginastos. Plus sa school, hindi masyadong magastos kasi we're just gonna do it in their auditorium. But we're working on the government sector. Si ma'am, yung kanina, yung nag-serve sa atin, at saka yung pinsan ko, they're working on the mayor office. So they're working on to partner with their programs and then partner with SM. So they're working to show it in cinema, SM Iloilo, and then the kids will go there.
Madam, kaya niyo na mag-produce ulit? Mag-produce na
After this
bago?
movie.
I guess
Di pa
once this
napapalabas.
addict,
After Addict?
yeah, I guess we will do again because once you see the movie, everybody say we want Addict Part 2. Yeah.
So maaari pong magkaparto.
Maaring magka-part 2 kasi there's so many questions. What happened to Ramina? What happened to ano? Kasi at the end of the movie, parang marami pang mga question ano nangyari kaya doon. Ganun. So,
Kevin will be the lead pa rin.
yeah, Kevin will be the lead. So maybe we're gonna do some different scene. Maybe here and then Canada. Kasi Kevin in the movie, he was si Lisa Lindogan.
Lindogan.
Lisa Lindogan. Nakapunta rin siya sa Canada in the movie. And then Kevin, same, parang taglish siya doon. But I guess the relationship of the mother, Lisa Lindogan, did not work with a Canadian guy. So they came back in the
May
Philippines.
na-encounter ba kayong nandoko sa inyo sa showbiz?
Oo, meron.
So parang ano yun? Inaano nyo na lang? Nakamove na kayo? Or...
Oh, nakamove on na rin kami. Parang lesson learned na lang. Yeah, a lot. That's why I'm kinda discouraged.
Natawa si Daddy.
Naka-discourage
parang
before.
milyon yata yung
Ah.
bumuha sa inyo.
Yeah. But I said,
parang
it's
kilala kayo kumuha.
Ano yun?
parang, I said,
Kasi
it's
ano?
okay.
Paano
Ano
pong
kasi?
loko? Paano
Paano naloko? Ano pong yun?
Parang yung talagang pera-pera lang tapos parang walang result.
Kasi kami, siyempre, hindi namin alam yung ano, no? Siyempre kami
Ins and outs.
padala ng pera. Hindi
Yeah.
namin, ano. Basta hiningi nila, binibigay namin.
Binibigay
So,
namin.
Bali may project po sana kayo na gagawin.
Tapos na, pero
ganun po.
ito na yun yung adik.
Hindi, yung pinag-uusapan niyo po ngayon, may project ba dapat na hindi natuloy?
Hindi naman. Natuloy naman yung
Ito na yun yan.
Yeah,
Kaya,
May mga kinuha yatang pera na
Parang yung ano,
hindi
parang,
na-audit.
parang press con, parang ano, 5,000 yung hiningi, pero binigay lang sa press 2,000. Parang ganyan. Or something like that.
Oo, tapos mga pictorial lang.
Nalaman nila.
Pictorial sa Baguio. And
So,
then,
mga
300,000 just for
lang.
pictorial. So, huli ko na naisip. Sabi ko, pictorial, pwede naman mag-pictorial.
Grabe namang pictorial yun.
And then the whole crowd went. So, siyempre pinamasayan ko na everything. Hotels and this and that.
So pinasa Diyos nyo na lang, parang ganyan.
Sa amin, bali, wala na yun.
It's okay na yun. At least,
Pera lang
importante.
naman.
Importante, nagawa
Sa
yung
akin, pera lang naman yun.
Yeah. Pero sa person na yun,
Yeah,
wala
yeah,
naman
necessary.
talaga
Ang
siya.
title na yun.
Ilang buwan lang namin yun.
Sa person na yun dati,
Oh,
ilang
hindi
buwan
talaga
lang nila
nakapagbigay ng project kay Kevin.
Yeah.
Kami pa talaga naghanap kung paano makabuo si Kevin ng title na mayroon siya. Kahit na aalis man siya sa showbiz, at least may nakatatak sa
Yeah,
tao
Addict
na
is Kevin Poblacion. Kevin
you
is
know,
Addict.
Kevin Poblacion made an Addict
Yes.
movie.
Mm.
Yun. So, medyo mahirap noon kasi syempre malaking halaga din, this and that. But I said it's okay as long as we can help
Mm.
sa more
Basta
kids
you learn
na
your
maging-
lesson na, di ba? Na yung gano'n na. Alam nyo na kung anong dapat gawin.
Wala bang
Yeah, and then
trauma, ma'am?
hindi na ha.
Hindi ba na-trauma, sir, ma'am?
Hindi naman. Kung baga sa ano,
We're
babalik
just-
pa rin kami.
We're just,
Pa rin kami.
we're really upset lang.
Saka dapat right
Pero
person
we
na
know
talaga
God,
yung
you know.
ninyo.
Hindi pa naman.
God is good anyway to, you know, help us all the way na nagawa yung addict in spite of the fact na may nanloko, gano'n. I guess, I don't know, sabi ng mga sa showbiz, natural lang daw yung mga ups and downs, this and that, niloko ka, gano'n, gano'n.
Especially if you're a new producer.
Oo, at saka hindi kami kilala. So, I was thinking na sana, yung, hindi, sinali pala namin sa Manila Film Festival.
Ang addict.
Oo. So, sa rating doon sa loob, number 3, no?
Number 1 kami sa, number 1 tayo sa the first day, right? Tapos,
Oo. Tapos, naging number 2,
number
3,
2,
steady.
number 3.
Tapos, nung
sa final, wala
sa
na
final na
kami.
hindi lumabas yung addict.
Absent si
So,
Directa.
sabi niya, Direk
Neil.
Neil, sabi niya, bakit nahuli yung addict? Sa preliminary ng mga rating.
In the running.
Addict is on the first or second or third. Nung ipalabas na yung final na kung
Wala
sino
na.
na ang mag-parade, wala na yung addict.
Taka nga kami.
So dahil
Talent
siguro
taking.
hindi ako kilalang producer, I don't know.
Kasi ngayon makikilala ka na naman na. Diba? May question
Yun,
yun ba,
ano,
Jo?
ano.
Yeah, gusto ko talagang ipasali sa Manila Film Festival sana.
Madam, bakit po ang first time producer kayo dito sa Pinas, love story talaga ang patok. Pero pinili niyo yung gumawa ng advocacy movie.
Advocacy
Bakit,
film.
bakit gano'n?
May experience kasi ako sa Canada rin na one of my son, the oldest son, Brian, got na-involved din sa, alam mo naman, drugs are everywhere.
Mga bad influence.
Yung mga
na-
marijuana, this and that. So, of course, me and my husband were so busy working. And mga bata, dalawa lang sila sa bahay. So, doon ko lang nalaman nung umuwi kami na he's selling marijuana pala
In school.
in schools and in the other corner dyan, madaling araw. So, he wasn't home. So, I was scared. Na sabi ko, hindi pala maganda talaga itong drugs na to. So, it happens na after a year yata, doon na nag-umpisa na mag-aaral si Kevin, being an actor. At tapos, nag-timing din si Derek Nilton after na makatapos si Kevin sa Star Magic. Doon na nag-open yung about drugs na addict. Nagagampanan niya ang addict. So parang nag-flashback sa akin na, ito na siguro na makakatulong ako sa mga bata na nalulun sa drugs. Kasi nga I've been there. So I want to help out na mag-eye-opener sa mga bata na the use of drugs is not good for you. Yeah. Kaya mayroon akong experience personally about drugs na yan. Kaya nagawa akong gumawa ng movie about it para maka-help out ako sa ibang tao.
Madam, medyo maiba lang po. Kasi syempre yung nanonood nito, sabihin, gusto ko din narating yung mga madam at sir. Pwede niyo pa ba ikwento kung paano kayo umasenso? Ano yung turning point? Ano yung buhay
Oo nga.
natin? Kasi kung titignan nyo, ang laki-laki ng mansion. Ano po ba yung, were you always this blessed?
Kailangan sipag at saka may plano ka sa ano, may plano ka talaga kung paano mo palaguin yung buhay. Kasi kung wala kang plano, wala mangyayari sa'yo, ganun ka lang ng pera. Kailangan medyo matipid ka rin, matyaga.
Yeah. At saka, you know, we experience being poor, na yung walang-wala ka talaga, alam namin yun. Kasi we're from Iloilo, we live in the farm. We grew up in the farm together. So I'm the oldest, and he is the one that really working in the farm. So that's why I struggle to finish school, even though my parents doesn't want me to go to school. Kasi sabi niya mag-aasawa ka lang rin naman. But because of my other brother helping na sa bukid, this and that, so I able to finish education. So after that,
Pero hindi pa po ganito. Hindi pa ganito ang buhay
no.
niyo.
And then it happens na I have an aunt living in Canada. So I'm not the favorites of all, but the all favorites they tried, hindi nakapasa sa immigration. So I guess God is good na napili ako huling-huli. So I passed everything. So ako ang unang nakarating doon. But in spite of that, jealousy, family, this and that, I help one of each of them. Anyway, lahat ng mga tiyain ko, bawat isa kinuha ko mga anak para walang inggit. So I do all the processing. Ginamit ko ang programa ng Canada, how to get there. And then in my side were 7 of us. So ako lang nakatapos. Tapos when I get there, pinaaral ko yung bunso. 2 lang kaming babae. So 5 ang lalaki. 5 boys, in between namatay yung isa dahil sa lupa, binaril. So 4 lang natira. So wala rin silang pinag-aralan dahil nga nung namatay yung kapatid, high school lang, nakita talaga nila na kung paano pinatay. Na-trauma sila, hindi na sila nag-school. So ngayon, ang pinaaral ko yung 4 na mga hipag ko. Mga babae, yun ang ginapang ko. So ngayon, kinuha ko sila pa isa-isa, yung 4. Kaya natangay.
Canada.
Oo.
Bali, ano po ang nagpabago sa kapalaran niyo na doon na nagsimulang mag-boom? Ano negosyo po ba?
No, we just work. We work 2-3 jobs.
Empleyado
Yeah,
po
we just
ba?
employ.
In Canada.
In Canada, yeah.
What about you, sir?
Yeah,
Ako,
he's working
nasa gobyerno ako eh.
as a school board.
At saka sa nursing home din ako. So,
In Canada as well.
In Canada as well, yeah.
Pero hindi po
We work too hard.
talaga. So lahat po ito, salary lang?
Yeah, salary lang ito, and then all our salary for 30 years. We live there for 37 years. But the 30 years, it's all our family first.
Yeah.
My
All
family,
the
his family. And then nung nakatapos na sila, nakarating na sila sa Canada, we concentrate our own house. 5 years lang ito.
5 years na dito.
5 years
Oo,
in the
5 years in the
making.
making lang. Our salary lang talaga. Wala talaga kami
Kasi in this $10,000 ang inuuwi namin every 10 days.
Every $10,000?
$10,000 a month.
Ba't po ang laki?
Sa akin lang yun.
Yun ang sweldo nila.
Ayun ang siya. Hindi, ayun nga. Ano pong nurse ba?
Yeah.
Ah,
But ano naman yun? Talaga namang you work like 24 hours, 7 days a week.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Di ba ano kayo, ma'am? Di ba
yung-
teacher kayo? Ba't kayo naging... When did you
kasi,
become a nurse?
yeah, hindi ko na napatuloy kasi medyo, doon, in demand doon ang sa healthcare.
Medical,
In demand doon sa
nag-shift ka sa
healthcare.
nursing.
Ganun talaga sa
Yung education, you did not finish, then you shifted sa nursing.
Na, kasi yun ang medyo
In demand.
doon na trabaho. So we just work hard, working lang talaga. But after, just for 5 years, ito lang napundar namin, sa sweldo lang namin talaga.
Meron pa kayong mga ibang negosyo ngayon?
Negosyo ngayon, no. Before,
Ito pa talaga.
during COVID, na-stuck kami dito, na-stuck siya while working sa bahay. Nag-grocery kami, doon sa kabila, ito, restaurant ito. Yeah.
But
But it didn't last, maybe less than a year. Oo, kasi sabi ko,
Mahirap.
mahirap din. Parang
Kasi hindi
nag-isa lang
naman
siya
saka-
dito. I was in Canada.
Oo, kasi pag di mo personal talaga natutukan yung
Yeah.
business.
Yeah,
At
so
saka,
parang hindi niya
ang
passion din.
kino-compare ko kasi, yung kikitain namin sa Canada at saka dito sa
Wala.
tubo-tubo lang
Oo.
yung kailan.
So sabi ko sa kanya,
Dollar na, dollar.
10,000 na.
Dollars yan.
10,000 pesos.
ang ano,
Yeah.
Sa isang
10,000
buwan.
pesos na bid niya.
So, mansion ito, and then meron kayong events place, di ba? Usapan
So
natin.
now, ito na, lumaki siya.
Mhm.
Before, we only plan to have one floor. Tapos sabi ko, bakit gawin na lang second floor para, you know. Aywan ko, para magic nga siya eh. Hindi ko nga maintindihan. Wala kaming engineer.
Parang magic.
Kami lang dalawa, nag-drawing. O, ikaw, first floor na tayo, second floor, ano itsura, gano'n lang.
Ibig sabihin kayo nag-plan
Kami nag-plan.
everything?
Panday lang, at saka
So,
kami.
walang interior decorator.
Wala, siya lang.
Ang galing mo, Daddy, ah.
Siya lang nag-ano
Nakabilib
nito.
ka talaga.
Oo.
So,
So-
how is your events place? Maganda naman yung resort.
Okay naman yung taga dito, pero wala pa talaga kaming gina-explore sa social media na ano. Yung taga dito alam na, gano'n.
So sila naghano sa iyo ng tulong.
Oo, oo. So mayroon,
Events nila.
mayroon
dito
dyan
na-
sa second floor, ginaupahan ng church. Ewan ko kung it's
Worship.
worship.
Second
Yeah.
floor.
Doon sa kabila kanina. Oo.
Mm.
So every Sunday. So I said, okay, that's good. At least there's a word of God coming.
Tapos
This
retired
house.
ka na, hindi ka na babalik ng Canada. Si Daddy na lang.
Ay, hindi na, we're both retired na.
Ah,
Nauna nga
okay.
siya mag-retired sa akin eh.
Mm.
So, pabalik-balik lang siya while nandito para tutukan talaga yung mga panday. Ako, I'm still working, padala para mabuo ito, ganun. And then he went back there. He stayed for another year. Sabi ko, siguro this is good enough kasi naka-4th floor na tayo, may bubong na yung
Tama na.
rooftop. I guess it's about time to go home.
Maganda-maganda.
And then we'll do the attic na.
Meron po ba kayong tinuturing na nagdala sa inyo? Like kanina napansin ko nga yung sa labas, ano? So inisip ko, meron ba kayong mga tinuturing na ritual or superstitious beliefs na tingin niyo nagdala sa inyo ng swerte?
Yeah, I guess, you know, in the help of our God, Jesus. Yeah. Kasi parang nananaginip talaga ako na,
Kaya nandito talaga sila.
oo, na gusto na dyan sila.
Gusto nila
Dati
dyan-
si Mama Mary dyan kasama at saka si Ninyo. Tapos parang may nagsasabi sa akin gusto niya umakyat doon sa taas. Kaya nadala ko siya doon. Yung grotto na yan, walang plano yan doon eh. Oo. Parang nasa fourth floor na parang nag-visualize na lang na ano, aakyat siya doon. Siguro para ma-look after niya yung buong bahay. I don't know. Kasi we're very devoted Catholics.
Ito yung nilalagyan ng pagkain.
Yeah, kasi ang lolo ko, famous albularyo sa Iloilo. But they immigrated in Canada, you know. So, dahil may parang si lolo parang may power din siya na healing, mga may sakit, lahat-lahat. Parang well-known siya doon.
Pero wala
So-
pong mga sing-sing na sinusuot ng nagpapaswerte o kumukonsulta sa kung wala pang gano'n.
Wala naman, siguro we're the favorites. Favorites kasi siya ito, tsaka ako rin. Oo.
Hindi kasi nung bago
God bless
kong
them.
ginawa itong bahay, talagang inuna ko yan.
Ah,
Nung inuna ko yan, parang
Magaan.
Oo,
magaan,
sunod-sunod
parang
na siya.
dire-diretso talaga yung ano
Oo.
namin. Wala nang tigil. sa
yeah, hindi ko
paggawa.
nga akalain nga kasing taas pala.
Kasi inuna ko talagang kinuha ko pa yan sa Quiapo.
Oo, yung pabrisa namin.
Oo, yung kapisan ko, lahat-lahat.
Tsaka tawag dito. We're really, ano, kasi,
Religious.
Religion.
Get religious.
ito number one.
Ayun, thank you. Salamat ng marami sa...
Bakit aabangan ko sa January yung
Oo, sa
Adik ay
Iloilo.
sa Iloilo? Davao na? Davao ba?
Yeah, we're gonna start in Iloilo and then Davao and then Cebu. We're working on Manila. I'm still searching who's gonna help me to penetrate the deep end in Manila. Ano?
Thank you.